What's the meaning of buoy? Buoy. Buoy.
Buoy. Buoy. The term buoy refers to a floating device that is used to mark a specific location, such as a navigational hazard or the location of a fishing spot. These devices are often cylindrical or spherical in shape and can be made from a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, or foam. Buoyancy is provided by air or water trapped inside the device, which keeps it afloat on the surface. By providing a visual reference point, buoys help sailors and fishermen stay safe and navigate through difficult waters. They are an essential tool for maritime safety and navigation.